for a damn rematch.
Hell yeah! You
Hell,
ready, brother?
I'm ready.
Let's go! Have I finally done it? Has the legendary airsoft fatty slain the legendary IShowSpeed? My friend, it has been an honor to battle you.
Give me out, bro. Come on, give me out, bro.
Thank you, Speed. Have a beautiful day.
Hotel security, if you are not a guest of the hotel, you need to leave the lobby now.
Peace out, Speed.
Right now.
Thank you, Speed.
He's doing his job. He's definitely doing his job. He's definitely doing his job.